From a ski mask to a welding hood, the OGs taught me how to hustle, but I robbed with my peers. And while I was in prison, family, from the age of 16 to 26, I realized something. I realized I had a gift. I had a calling on my life. And I remember one day my mom told me this when I was playing in the midst of my friends. She called me over there. She said, "Lil Joe." And I was like, "What's up? What's going on, mama?" And I remember running over there. And she's like, "Boy, you a leader." And I just looked at her. "You know, what you mean? You know, I'm young. What you mean, mama? You're a leader. You just got to figure out if you're going to lead people down the right path or the wrong path." And it was years later, family, while I was incarcerated, when it really hit me. And it wasn't until my mom passed in 2012 when I really embraced the concept of knowing that it's all in me. It's been in me since the day I was born. And some of us got that audacity in us to be able to do anything we want to do once we put our mind to it, family. And one thing I realized getting out of prison, that if I was going to get my freedom back, I was going to have to take it, not with a gun, but I was going to have to take it with my mind, with elevating how I thought. So what I did is I learned the trade. And when I learned that trade, family, I turned that trade into a product. And once I turned that trade into a product, I turned that trade into a business. And now I understand the concept. Just because we come from the gutter and just because we have the audacity to run into someone's establishment and take what they have, it doesn't mean that we just necessarily bad people. Sometimes that's our only option. But I'm not telling you to lose that audacity, because you're going to need that dealing in this world. You're going to need that inside of you to get you to that next level with your business. You're going to have to go take it. And I mean take it in a righteous way. You're going to have to learn how to turn these here and this here into your greatest weapon. Hold on.